my team members and I, who are able to, join together virtually on Zoom and have a craft night. It's a lot of fun. I send out the materials ahead of time for what everyone needs, and then we get together and show how to create it, and everyone figures out what we're creating. It's a lot of fun. I want to share with you here a few projects that we just made this past week in my team craft night for this month, because they're a lot of fun. So here you can see these projects. Now, one of them, I already sent out this card to one of my team members, so I did the next best thing. I printed off a picture of it because I just loved how it looked, so I wanted to show it to you. So here are the projects we created for this last craft night for my team. Now, these are exclusive projects. I don't share how to make any of these on my blog or in my videos because it's a benefit of being one of my team members. But let's look at these. So this one is a really cute gift card holder. We untie the bow, open it up, and here we have a little pocket. You could put a gift card, you could put cash if you want to do that, or it would hold tea bags, it would hold other cute little things as well. So that was one of our projects, and I will mention that I did not share all of these. It gets boring listening to me talk all the time. One of the things I love best about our craft nights are that sometimes I share the projects, but a lot of my other team members are very willing to share projects as well. So it's a lot of fun just to come up with such a variety of projects from our different team members. Now, I will mention these highlight a lot of our celebration items. Now, on September 30th, our celebration will be ending. And until then, you can get free gifts with any $50 purchase. So I'm highlighting some of those, the designer paper on this one, the designer paper on this one. This is a Dutch door card shared by one of my team members that I thought turned out super cute with that designer paper prints that I cut those out from the designer paper. This one, I don't remember the name of it, but I think this is the coolest. So this will fit in an envelope, and it kind of folds and unfolds, and you can set it up and display it, and it looks like a little shadow box. So that I made using our Counting Sheep stamp set and the Counting Sheep dies that you can get free right now. And here's a really big blown up printed version of one of the cards that I made with our Summer Shadows dies and our Bedazzling paper, which is so, so pretty. Some of those celebration items. So I wanted to share these, one, to give you ideas for some projects that you can create, and two, because I don't always talk about what goes on with my team, and unless you know what you're missing out on, you don't know what you're missing out on. I would love to have you participate in our team craft night next time if you are interested in joining my team. So I wanted to talk just for a minute about it. Right now during celebration, we have a really awesome sign up special. I'm not going to mention it right here, but you can get a lot of products for free. And our starter kit is always a good option. So even if celebration isn't going on anymore when you're watching, it's a really good offer. You get free products no matter when you sign up, and you always get to choose what comes in your starter kit. So just for a minute, I wanted to talk about the top 5 things that I believe are a benefit of signing up with Stampin' Up, and I feel that my team members would agree with this. I didn't actually do a poll, but I'm pretty sure they would agree with this. So number 1 is just the community. We have a fun Facebook group. We get together monthly for our craft night. We occasionally get together in person. We just share a lot of things, even though we're not necessarily together in person much. So the community is number 1. So number 2, I'm going to say, are the craft nights. I love the craft nights. Every time we have a craft night, I get messages from all kinds of people, how much fun they had. Everybody's posting their pictures at our Facebook group so we can see all the different versions of the Dutch door card, all the different versions of the gift card holder. Just a lot of fun, those craft nights. Number 3, we do monthly card challenges prepared by one of my team members. And so those are a lot of fun. So it gives you an idea for a fun, usually it's a sketch challenge. So then everybody who wants to join in participates in the sketch challenge and shares pictures in our Facebook group. So that's fun. Number 4 is just general support and inspiration. I have really tried in our Stampin' Up team to create a community of women who are supportive of each other. So yes, a lot of it's about stamping, but a lot of it's not about stamping. A lot of it is just about supporting each other, being positive, working through life's challenges together, being there for people when we are going through life's challenges. I try to share different motivational things, and other team members too. I love when somebody will post a Bible verse from their daily calendar or a quote they see online that just means something and they think it'll mean something to the other team members as well. So number 4 is that support and inspiration. Number 5 is what most people really sign up for in the first place, which is the discount on your products. So if you love to make pretty things out of paper, you're not alone. There are lots of us, and lots of us have decided just to sign up just to get a discount. So I obviously take this to a different level, and I've turned this into a business, but a lot of our team members do it just for a hobby and just for enjoyment. So wanted to share a little bit about this, show you those projects from our craft night the other night, and just give you an opportunity to ask questions. So drop a comment below. Let me know what you're interested in. I'm going to put links in the video description for where to find out more information on how to sign up. And you can find a link to a blog post from my website to find out more about our team in general. So thanks for watching along. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you're here again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.